Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, MP3. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2015 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.